Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by placing your pencil at the top center of the intended letter space and start a gentle curve to the right. Sweep down and left in a smooth motion, creating the upper curve of the S. Reverse direction at roughly 1/2 the letter height, flowing into a second curve that mirrors the first but slightly tighter. Finish with a small tail that angles to the lower right and keeps the overall height near 0. 5 inches for consistent practice. To write a cursive S, start like the printed version but extend the lower tail into a gentle upward connector that links to the following letter. This turn should be smooth and continuous. Maintain the pen angle near 45 degrees to control stroke width and ink flow. Adjust speed so curves remain fluid rather than jagged. Keep each S about 0. 5 inches tall and repeat the motion slowly until muscle memory forms. Then gradually increase speed while preserving shape and the connector's gentle rise. For a stylized block S, begin by drawing 2 parallel vertical guides approximately 0.6 inches apart to frame the letter. This spacing sets proportions. Sketch the top and bottom opposing arcs so they mirror each other, making each arc about 3.5 inches long if you are creating a larger design on poster paper. Once the basic shape is accurate, thicken the outer strokes evenly while keeping internal counters narrow to preserve contrast. Clean up edges with an eraser and refine weight until the S appears balanced.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.